Hindi lang client ang kailangan mo rin ng direction. And I'm saying this with all the love in the world because kung ang tagal mo na naghahanap ng client pero hanggang ngayon hindi mo pa rin alam kung ano nga ba yung i-offer mo na service as a virtual assistant, then stop and listen because this might give you a little more clarity. Hi, I'm Mary and I teach people how to start working from home. Ang daming mga freelancers ngayon na nagsimula nung pandemya and one thing that they have learned is that sa industriyang to, hindi na lang pera ang habol natin. Ganon din ang mga social media managers. Hindi pera, hindi sales ang habol ng mga SMM or social media managers and marketers. The goal to become the best social media manager and marketer is to know the why. You see, as a business, kapag klaro sa'yo kung bakit ka nagwo-work, kung bakit ka nag-o-offer ng ganitong service sa negosyo nyo, yung mga clients nyo, ganun din. Hindi na lang silang bastang mas strong, sila ay mas sustainable na ang business, mas confident na silang mag-offer ng service nila, mas confident na silang mag-offer ng products or service nila, at mas nagiging aligned na yung mga customers nila sa goals nila. Imagine this, hindi ka na nag-chase ng mga customers or clients. You attract the right ones, you retain these customers or clients longer, hence, you earn more at walang burnout. That is the goal. If this is something that you want for your freelancing business or gusto mong i-offer yung SMM as a service, then maybe yung amin ang pinakang juicy na SMM class na ma-attendan mo. This is one of our highest rated class ever since it started because, girl, ang dami mong matututunan, ang daming realizations. Malalaman mo na ang social media management pala, hindi na lang bastang pa-post-post na lang. If you guys wanna join our next class, mag-check lang kayo ng link sa bio ko. The link in my bio or punta kayo sa Blue App and then comment SMM and we'll send you over the link. Yes, this class also includes client simulation and training labs so pwede ninyong i-apply at practicein kung ano yung matututunan ninyo. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home and follow from our work from home chismis. Bye!